up, boss dons? CurtisDonDeano and Dano today, by the way. I have on a pink Dano tee. This is available now at shopdano.com. I know you didn't come here for that, but you here. Let me just say, on today's episode of Shit Not to Buy Full Price, an off-white belt. Now, in previous videos, I've showed an off-white belt. I did a real versus fake video that went kind of cool. And then I also did like an unboxing. They both kind of did numbers. If you watch any of my other videos about Virgil or Off-White, you know how I feel about him as a person, respect his creativity, etc. You know how I feel about his brand and his employees, but we won't get into that today because today it's more about Essence and or Sensei or Essence or whatever they decide to call it, Sense.com. Okay, first off, right, I already opened the box. I'm gonna tell you why. Because the box was so small and like you could really tell it what it was, that I didn't even know that it was the belt. Now let me just say a couple of things, right? Okay, so upon opening the belt, I've discovered that there was no invoice in here. I didn't unwrap it yet because I was like, I want to, have some little effect. But the thing is, like, okay, initially looking at this box, I couldn't tell what it was. That's kind of dope sometimes because I have gotten packages stolen from me. So it's a great deal that, that these aren't, like super labeled like Essence.com. But Essence isn't like one of those things, like, no offense, but if you're the type of person who's stealing packages off a porch, you probably already don't even know what Essence is. Like, I mean, I'm not saying it's not like a huge thing, but I mean, I remember 2015, I had a friend who already was buying designer stuff, but didn't even know what Barney's was. I won't tell you who that friend was, but if you're ever this friend, you're probably not watching this because you don't watch my videos anyway. At least we don't talk about your videos. But I remember you didn't know what Barney's was because I told you I got my Balenciagas from you. You just was like, what's Barney's? And I just was like, but some people, they didn't learn what Saks was until Gotti said, I rock Gucci, Louis, Prada, niggas know I shop at Saks. Okay, sorry. Hey, yo, I'm so corny, but I'm really not corny in real life. I'm only corny on YouTube, I promise. It's more monetizable. I know you're like, oh my God, we 7 minutes in and we didn't get to see the belt check. All right, so upon opening this box, we get no receipt and just a piece of tissue. When I first started Shop Dano, I packed better than this. I at least gave receipts. But the reason why, I'm gonna tell you in a second why I told you don't buy it at full price. Okay? It doesn't say Essence on it, probably from Dollar Tree. Alright, so my initial reaction is the belt bag is already worn. The bag that the belt is in, okay. Now I bought these to match my triple. Oh, okay, we got a broken piece in here. I mean, this doesn't, it might be from this though. It's like a broken piece that's orange and it's like not attached to anything. And so what I will say that's dope is it has like, I love the uniformness of the brand. Like you got like a mint green, like crosswalk thing he's been doing for ages. 2013 product bag, off-white, care of Virgil Abloh, defining the gray area between black and white as the color off-white. Great, even though we know that's not where the name probably came from. CC Pyrex. Oh my God, it's like I'm amped up on corniness. Mind you, it's 12:30 a.m. so that's probably why I'm a little off. And if you're watching this video, you're like, yo, this nigga is a fucking cornball. Please go watch one of my other videos and see I don't act like this all the time. Alright. Alright. So now let's unzip the bag. I'm gonna tell you why I said don't buy full price in a minute. Oh, it does say PB right there. Official product bag. Oh, official product bag. I should keep. Oh, my phone next to Bluetooth. And people be snapping me. By the way, don't ever snap me no nasty shit. Snap me nasty stuff. Alright, so the piece is broken off. It says Off-White 2013 zip tie. Oh, so this was the zip tie. Oh, okay, so it was just the thing that held the tags together on the thing. Alright, so we do have another mint green tag. The only tag that looks relevant. Okay, so it's just some more stuff. It says Off-White hang tag, women's, men's objects designed by Virgil Abloh. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, woo, I do love the belt though. Okay, Houston, we have a problem. Okay, so we have a neon green off-white belt. I'll definitely gonna like show you. I would do like a whole like close-up of it, but it's really not necessary, so I'm just gonna show y'all. These are the basic details that you see on all the other belts. It says off-white, then it says belt. Let me just bring this all the way down so you guys can see it. Okay, I'll pretty back up. All right, and This belt is one size fit all, of course. It has some tagging in the back. I don't know what's really inside of here. Looks like a bunch of nothing, really. I mean, you can't wash it, so I'm just telling you. So this is like a PVC belt for the most part. Let me tell you why I'm disturbed. And I could be wrong. I don't maybe understand the logistics of it. But it's like plastic pieces that are cut and then tapped together. I don't know if that was for like a strength thing. But if you see, it's like every couple of inches, after every something a little over a foot, you'll see it has this. Now I told you where I got this belt from Essence. I'm kind of disappointed already because it looks like the belt was kind of worn already. I mean, the zip tie was broke on it. To me, I feel like I got a return. Honestly, I really feel like I got a return product, which I mean I'm not mad about, but I mean I paid full price for it. Now, because I didn't get a receipt when I opened the box, I went to look at it. Now, it says off-white green PVC industrial belt, right? Essence.com. I'm literally looking at the website. It says $380 is what I paid for this belt. $380 fucking dollars for the shit to now be $186. Now, of course, I'm gonna contact them and ask them, do they have like some type of price matching thing or whatever? But I'm just really disappointed. Like, granted, it's not like it's a year later or anything like that. Literally, it's probably been a little over a week and a half or 2 weeks. I mean, since I received it. You know what I'm saying? I didn't do the unboxing right away. But what's really upsetting me is the fact that it just, that isn't working. Like, okay, they have a price protection policy. If purchase item goes on sale, Essence offers a one-time price adjustment on your order under the following conditions. Price adjustment requests must be made within 14 days of your order being placed. The same style and size must be in stock at the time of your price adjustment request. The price difference will be refunded to your original method of payment. Price match policy. Oh, they price match. I never knew that. That's why I was good to read. Well, I did learn something today. Overall, it's definitely a dope belt. It definitely has a look. It's pretty much see-through, as you can see. You know what I'm saying? So it definitely can be versatile. You have a pink and green belt if you have pink and green pants. I do like the versatility there. But what I'm just really not a fan of is probably the fact that it went on sale. And I'm not really a fan of it being connected like this. But maybe you guys can give me a great reason why it is. Like I said, I bought it to match my triple S's. It's the exact color. And I'm very excited. I don't really know how I'm going to wear it though, because if I go through the loops, I've never actually worn the yellow one. My sisters wear it. I've never actually worn the yellow one. You know how like you just want something? I think that's pretty much me. But also on the website, just in case you guys are interested, this belt is on sale. It's like literally 51% off. Other than that, they also have this in like a clear and blue, like a transparent and blue. And then in addition to that, they also have a lot of other cloth ones that are on sale I've seen as well, briefly looking past. But the thing about off-white belts that makes it so difficult is like, well, makes it difficult for certain styles is that they don't really, you know, go around the waist well. And for me, don't mind, I just got on shorts. Dino shorts, by the way. Just in case y'all was wondering. Y'all know I don't got no money, clearly. So, like, you know, like, mind you, you know, once you put this through here, whatever, we could do a whole tutorial on how to wear off-white belts. But let's just say it was 3 hours, don't feel like looping it through. Typically, you like tie it or whatever. But this bitch is so long. And once you tie it around your physical waist, it really doesn't. See, I'm showing you where I put it at. Once you put it there and you like tie it around yourself, y'all can't really see, but it's too long. Like it's literally dragging on the ground. And like this would probably be cool if it was like the cloth one, but because it's like plastic, you know, I don't know. I don't really want it to drag. And then most times people like loop it around twice. I guess I'm showing y'all anyway, huh? Loop it around twice. Let's just say that it was inside there. And then tie it to itself. Boom. You know, you get the point. You get what I'm saying? So overall, it isn't the worst purchase, but just to be 100% honest, I feel like I've made better purchases. And I feel like I'm really disappointed in myself because usually I buy things that aren't too trendy And if they are, I get them for good prices. I usually get them on sale. You know, I'm always very transparent on this channel. I'm not let y'all know when I get something on sale. But in honor of the old video, I gotta look at the ad because that shit was a vibe. Alright, boys, though. Stay untouchable. Godspeed.